So many fabric to choose from. Ah, man! How to pick fabrics that will work well together? Here is a super easy trick to get you started. Before we enjoy this quickie together, let me present you my sponsor. For the project's free motion quilting, I use a Tiara tool from Babylock, a great mid-arm sit-down machine with a 16-inch throat. For the assembly and all my auto sewing need, Babylock Soprano is my awesome machine. But back to our satisfying quickie. For this trick, you will need one piece of fabric that you love, adore, want to buy the whole bolt from, and just pet from time to time. Okay, where was I? Okay, you choose one fabric that you love and that has many colors in it. I call this the mommy fabric. Make sure you pick a fabric from the bolt so it has those round dots on the fabric selvage. You see, you can use the fabric's designer talent and knowledge to help you choose your own color combination. On the fabric edge, those dots are used for the printing process to display all the fabric colors. But you can use them to find complementary fabric that will work great together. Using some of those dots on the selvage, pull matching fabrics. I call those baby fabrics. To verify if it's also a good mix of dark and light, you can take a picture of all the selected fabric and change it to shades of gray on your computer. Et voilà! Another satisfying quickie! If that quickie was as pleasurable for you as it was for me, please like, subscribe, and comment to help me get more funny and useful quickies your way.